The jail boss was bigger than me, but I had unfixable intelligence. My brain got smarter every day. Soon I devised a plot. I called it the 3Ds. Distract, divide, dominate. I began with phase 1, distract. Wait! Check this out. Click. It's a bunny. I love bunnies. Do it again. Do it again. 2 bunnies. Hey, look. Hey, look, everybody. Bunnies. Where? Let me see. Me love bunnies. Let's start a bunny club. Squee! Once they were distracted, I move on to phase 2, divide. You know pink bunnies are the best bunnies? They are? Of course. Everybody knows that. Pink bunnies rule. You know purple bunnies are better than pink bunnies? Of course, they are. Of course, everybody knows that. Purple bunny rule. No, pink bunnies rule. Wrong. It's purple bunnies. Pink bunnies, purple bunnies, pink bunnies, purple bunnies. Soon the division began to grow and grow. Pink power. Until the jail overflowed with hightail and distrust. And now, with your help, we will launch phase 3 of my plot. Dominate. Soon we shall be unstoppable. Mwahahaha. Meanwhile, when Chef gets back, I will arrest him on the spot with my laws and my brute force. We shall be unstoppable. Mwahahaha. Meanwhile, when PD comes here tomorrow, we will begin mass production of my AI buddies. Soon I shall be unstoppable. Mwahahaha.